Alright, man, we start this man there, man. Ras, man. Put your hands up if the struggle is real. I'm telling you, I know how you feel. Cause I feel it too. Cause I feel it too. Cause I feel it too. Oh.
Good evening, good evening.
Alright.
My name is Mr. Brown. You are Ramesh?
Ramesh. Yes, Ramesh.
Your mama name you Ramesh?
Yeah, that's my name. What the problem? That's my name. That woman call me. Ramesh.
Alright, I don't know about them thing there, but
oh, you know back home, your mom and dad even drunk. And then me barn. So you know the thing I go, right? Yeah, I already know the thing I go.
like so look at Ramesh, baby. No, don't put on me seatbelt because I don't want nobody come kill me off, you know, Ramesh.
Well, you know, what you name?
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
What? Mr. Brown. Brown what? What you bring?
No. Your name. Brown.
Brother, stick broken in ears, Mr. Brown. Brother, look on my shirt. Brown. I'm gonna look at Ramesh, baby, dog. Alright, you know what? Ramesh, me have a date tonight, I don't want late for my date. So just be careful. Alright, we are gonna go over there, so, right? We are gonna go over there, so, and make a left, right? You hear me I say?
Brown.
Watch the people them, you are gonna kill off the people them already?
I was distracted a little. Sorry, Mr. Brown.
Okay. Take off me. Alright, Ramesh, you are gonna go straight and then make the right.
Ramesh.
What did I say?
No, you said Ramed. What about medicine? Ramed? It's Ramesh.
Ramesh. Me
Ramesh.
don't know.
Ramesh.
Me don't know why Ramen are your name in the first place. That is
my name. That my name. Now wear him out. Alright, Mr. Brown. You look like a man who's proper like you music, right? And hear what, right? You like music now? You like I'm loud.
Of course, I love music, brother.
Hear what? Me get something for you, right? I try sell this thing, but bring it from back home. Back home, I be call this boom box. This thing loud, man. You can play all your chutty music, all your Ravi, be all your Tony cuts. You can play upon them.
Tony, who me no know no Tony cuts,
man. Tony cuts, like you know, you cut your hair, cut your arm off, like Tony cuts.
Brother, me no Tony cuts or no chutney. Me no like them look light bulb screw music, dog.
What you mean? Listen. It's light bulb music, that one me grow up on, you know the song? You know that one, right? That one hot, man.
I don't know about it. You sound like you're a crier or something.
No, I'm not crying, I sing. That one hot song. You know that one?
Dancehall reggae music, that type of thing me in Mr. Brown like.
You rent one, how you dance? Well, what name so?
You don't know dancehall music. You don't know Vibes, Cartel, Skillbang, World Boss. Ha, you know World Boss.
Want me to say something funny? Ha. What?
No, I swear.
You crack one joke?
Maybe you's funny, but dancehall is no laughing matter. Dancehall music are the best music in the world. I don't know about them local chop music and something like that.
So you don't want the speaker?
I don't want the speaker. Put on the speaker. You want mouth or something?
But what name's
brother, my man is a point, you know. Just focus on the road.
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Brown.
Brown. You know, learn your colors.
Okay. You know something?
What? What now?
You look a little hungry, man, and you know.
Why you call me Marga?
No. My mama get one stand back home, right?
Yeah.
And she just sell greens. You know name greens?
Yeah, your mama sell ganja. What you talk about greens?
Oh man, greens, man. You know greens, man. Let me show you some greens. My mama send this one suitcase for me for sell them, right? Yeah. This is greens. You know this is what I call greens. You want some greens?
Me don't want no greens. Me don't want
25 cents a pound.
Me don't want no script. Yeah, Walmart dog. Me don't want what is no frills?
Smell them fresh. It's fresh.
Me take it out of my face. Me don't want smell no push nothing on a man's face. You want to you? Me not eat them something, the dog.
Okay, Mr. Brown.
What?
Here. You know why I'm a boombox? You know why I'm a greens, right? But here what, right? Me get this thing here. This USB here. Full of music. Best music in the Caribbean, man. Guyanese. Best music in the islands, man.
Brother, Guyana not even there on no island. You guys barely even in the Caribbean. You in South America. Guyanese people, you guys are basically American.
Wait a minute. You ever been to Kaitor Falls? You see much water there? We said all the water come from. Now an island? Harvey is one island too.
Brother, I don't know about no Kite Falls, alright? You ever go to Duns River Falls?
Duns?
Use the Duns. You coming like the Duns in here today, you know?
Okay.
Duns River Falls are the real falls, about Kite Falls. Okay. You know business about the Kite Falls?
Me don't talk with you. Give me back my greens.
Brother, I'm gonna give you a box if you don't concentrate on the road.
Greens there.
You know what? Better get -1 point because you're going too blood. Yeah, you get me cross and angry today, you know. About Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Me no business. Just drive the car, you hear me I say?
Okay, Mr. Brown, here, alright? I gotta make one little pit stop.
What do you mean pit stop?
I gotta stop at my auntie baby house and pick up this dal pori. No worry, man, not gonna take long, man.
Brother, this is a driving exam, boy. You want to make stop.
I'm in there right here, man. I watch your house there, man. Let me make a little pit stop, pick up the roti now.
Brother, be careful, you know, because I have a date tonight and I can't late for this date, you know.
Listen, don't worry about the date, man. Let me pick up this dal pori. Trust me.
Man, I go pick up roti and them something.
Okay,
people are stressed out.
Watch with the watch. Man, she just gets a little surgery, push your foot there, right? She can't even walk properly. She can't walk. Hold on, man. She'll come.
I tell you, broke fuck auntie for hurry up. You may have places to go and get.
Look us, my auntie. I'll come. Auntie, baby, how you doing, man? Yeah, long time. And I say, hey, the dal pori look hot, girl. Hey, the dal pori looking good. Okay, here, all right. Hey, man, come Jandy next week. Man, sure your parts sad nice. You know me like my parts sad, right? All right, take care and come here. This is the dal pori. See, this is all 5 second, right?
Brother, what that?
It's dal pori. It's dal pori. This is dal pori.
That don't look like no roti and no smell like no roti. What that?
It's dal pori.
Brother, me know in them local drugs dealing thing, you know. Your mother sell greens, right? Your auntie give you some local brown package. Me know it don't smell like no curry.
It's dal pori. Trust me, you're gonna like this thing. It's dal save you some. You're gonna eat them with some curry. Trust me.
Hey, Mr. Brown no curry, you know. You know, back in the day, Mr. Brown used to have a nice little Guyanese girl. You know, me used to have some roti from time to time. You know, you see me I say?
No, she used to make roti. I don't get it.
No, me used to have some roti. You know, roti.
Me not understand one thing when you talk. The girl used to make roti for you, or what you attack?
No, a roti, brother. You know.
Me not understand one thing when you talk.
Me I talk about pum pum. You know that pum pum?
How you gonna mix roti and pum pum? Me not understand that.
Brother,
Can we drive?
So you don't like pum pum?
I'm gonna drive.
You don't like pum pum?
Let me go.
You don't like pum pum then?
I wanna drive.
Alright, Mr. No like pum pum. Hurry up. I mean, hey, me don't want to know what's in the package, you know. Me no don't.
It's dal pori. Me know when you talk pum pum and dal pori. Me don't know how them two are reach. Anyway, let me go.
Man, I get me now some drug and that thing, but don't. The people here, man. Why you look around, so what to you?
You see the police there?
The what?
Police, listen, I have to tell you something.
But tell me what?
Mr. Brown, this is not dal pori when we get here.
Bro, I see, that me I say, you know.
Calm down, not feel up your hand, man. Not feel, you go see.
See, calm down, brother. Me don't know, you know, any other police pull us over today. Me don't know you, officer. Me don't know the boy, you know. Me don't know him.
Just calm down, man.
Calm down. Brother, me don't know what kind of drugs dealing you now, you know.
No
me tell you from before.
I do this all the time, man. Don't worry.
What you think this is narcos or something, dog? Me not in them something, you know. Mr. Officer, me don't know the boy, yeah. They kidnap me, you know. Officer, me get kidnapped. That me I gotta say, you know. Brother.
Calm down. Okay, here.
Brother, me have 3 more people in my life, you know.
Look, the police gone, man. The police gone. Oh, my mama, how you freaking? So you been proper freaking. You see how you been acting? You're scun freaking. You're scun freaking.
Don't make me thump you over today, you know.
You're scun freaking.
Don't make me thump you on your face, you know, Ramesh.
You see how you're scared?
Brother,
like you see Jumbie.
Brother, go back at driving examination center. Go back at the driving examination center because you know what, you feel already. Because coming like you want to get Mr. Brown locked up and Mr. Brown have 3 more wife to get and 3 more picnic to get. Go back at driving the exam. Sure. I stress out Mr. Brown. Look, I nearly get heart attack. I raise up Mr. Brown blood pressure.
Listen, it's okay, man. The police gone, man.
Just park up the car, yes, dog.
Mr. Brown.
What?
How did I do, man? How me do?
How you do? Brother, you fail. You know, so you almost get Mr. Brown locked up. You try some all sorts of foolishness and them something, no. You fail with a capital F. You know me did do one next driving exam on next Guyanese boy what day, yeah. And him did do alright. You fail.
Mr. Brown, hold on. Me get some one last thing me get.
Me don't want to buy nothing, you know.
Okay, listen. Me need for pass because me gotta drop my wife a walk. Me gotta drop my picnic them at school. So here what, right? Your mouth look a little dry. You been talk too much. So here what? Me get this thing here. 15-year-old Eldorado battle. This thing go tickle your tonsils. Like when you swallow, me just tickle your tonsils.
Why? Hey,
like,
Ramesh,
when you swallow, tickle right here. Tickle.
Ramesh, me tell you already. Me know in the man tickling and all these things.
No. Like when you swallow them, it is go down nice. So just tickle your tonsils like nice.
You know what? Ramesh, you fail. Capital F. Me don't talk. Bye, Ramesh. Sure.
Hey! Which side my greens there?
Wagwan people, I hope you guys enjoyed that driving exam video. I know it's been a while since you've seen Mr. Brown, but you know, he's back. And you guys let me know what nationality you want me to do the next video with. You know, some of you have said Haitian, some of you have said Brazilian, some have said Japanese. So just let me know in the comments what nationality you want to see next. And don't forget to follow my co-star that was in the video with me at Rum Shop Chronicles on all social media websites. And lastly, I just want to let you guys know about the line I started called Caribbean Love. This is the main shirt from the line. We just dropped some sweaters, you know, for the people who live in the colder climates. So check out the description below to get your own Caribbean Love t-shirt. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.